So Grace, as I was driving up here, I turned off of 75 and headed about 20 minutes down the road, right? So I just headed directly east, and I saw some signs. I think I saw South Fork Ranch. Yes. So is that the real one?
It is.
Oh my gosh, that's we're going to talk about that one. But so I noticed all of these. There's so much land out here, and there's so much opportunity. So you're a resident here, so tell us a little bit about where we are.
Okay. Well, as you said, Ron, we're just about 10 miles or so east of 75, straight down Parker, and then if you keep going past Inspiration, it winds down into the small downtown of Wylie. We have a really cute historic downtown that's active with restaurants and shops. And then also around us, we have Parker. We're just a short distance from Allen and McKinney. And then right on the edge of Lake Lavon. And going the other direction, it's not far to get out into East Texas either to visit your lake home.
Yeah, perfect. And, tell us a little bit about, what you've seen in terms of growth in this area. I mean, I just driving down, I'm sure it was pretty rural when you first moved here, but there's communities popping up everywhere. So, I mean, can you buy land here still? Is it all single family homes? What's the opportunity look like?
There is some land, but it's being built up by developers so much. When I drive around, there are new subdivisions popping up, especially between Wylie and Sachse, going that direction also. And a lot of commercial opportunities still around here. One of the things that's happened in Wylie with the growth is we do have a Collin College campus here now. So that is a good opportunity for people to buy rentals or investment properties for rentals as well. And
no, it's interesting. So you mentioned, an investment property or for local colleges. Something that I've seen in my career on the lending side are kiddie condos. So you'll have a family where they're sending their child as a freshman to a particular school, and they then will buy a property, provided that they're, responsible kids, right? That's number one. But they will actually buy a property, a condo or a small little home, and then the roommates will actually help pay for that mortgage. Right? And then at the end of the day, what's great is they then retain that property. They get their first job. And from there, you have the child, they refi in their own name. And now they've built up all that equity. They have an asset. So have you seen anything like that before?
I've heard of that concept. I haven't seen that or helped with that personally, but I love that idea. And with a senior in high school right now, I especially love that idea.
And hopefully they're responsible, right?
Yes.
So that's key.